Okay, this guy is starting his agency and he's wondering if he should offer his service for free for the first clients. He says, I'm on Reddit, I'm gonna read you and I'm gonna give you the answer. I'm new to agencies and will next week start cold calling businesses about my web development and SEO services. Since I haven't had any clients experiences yet, I can't provide any sort of credibility nor testimonials. Therefore, my question is, should I consider offering my service for free for the first 1 to 3 clients? Then the stakes aren't too high for either of us and I can ask them for a testimonial and referral afterwards. Thoughts, pros, cons. Okay, I tried offering a free service, although I was experienced. Like, if you don't have an experience in what are you selling, it's gonna be very difficult to make people agree to work with you, right? Because you don't know what you're selling. You say web development and SEO services. I think this is like way too broad. I think you should niche it down. Basically, the question you're asking is, could I make a free surgery on you? But I don't have any medical experience. Would you say yes to that? Here, the stake is not that high, but you need to have some knowledge and you need to have some experience before selling it, if that makes any sense. I'm not sure if it makes any sense because I don't know. I don't know. Just at least you need to have the knowledge. I'm not sure if you have the knowledge. So if you don't have the knowledge, don't sell it. If you've seen like 11 courses on SEO optimization, yeah, go for it. If you know how to build a website, go for it, right? You said that you want to do it for web development. Here is my advice. The first thing you need to do, you can create a website because you're gonna do web development, right? And you can say, this is the website I created. I can create this website for you. I have a lot of knowledge. I have a lot of experience, but you'll be my first client. That's why the price won't be 3K. For you, it will be just like $500 or like $100 or whatever. But I'm against selling anything for free because when you say free, people don't respect you, right? Back in, it was actually last year, I tried to sell, I had an offer and my offer was like, I'll manage your YouTube ads for free for 30 days and you only pay when you get results. A lot of people actually agreed to sign, but for me to run the YouTube ads, they had to create YouTube videos, right? And once they sent me the videos, and I was like, okay, send me the videos. And for like a lot of people, they never did create videos because they were not invested in the service. So basically, I wasted like a lot of time doing calls. I wasted a lot of time setting up ad accounts, and out of the whole thing, pretty much nothing happened. So I'm very against selling stuff for free. Um, yeah. So the stakes aren't too high, but if you go to like an experienced somebody who is actually making money, the stakes are high for them because they're gonna waste a lot of time. Some people will love your offer. I'm gonna work for free, but you also need to show that you're experienced or you at least have knowledge. So I'm just gonna try to make the difference between knowledge and experience. Knowledge is, I've read this book on this topic. I've watched this online course on this topic. I've been following this YouTube channel on this topic for this experiences. I've built this website for this company. I did search engine optimization for this company. So there are a lot of things you could do to appear professional, right? You can charge very little, but never offer your stuff for free. Just don't do it. It won't end well for you. I've tried it. It didn't work well for me as well. Thank you for watching.